Hey guys, I got a set of keys for you that probably will blow your brains out. Let me check this key setup. These are for fleet master key sets for heavy equipment. Whoa. So if you've got heavy equipment, I've got just about every key you're ever going to want for that. This is so cool. You get them from bluedogkeys.com. Let me read a little bit about it. There's a lot of numbers, so I'm not going to do that. I'll just say they're the BDEKS40 equipment set, 40 keys. You got to have this. They have all the keys numbered. Your Fleet Master Key Set for heavy equipment. Yep, same thing. Community Post, you want to check that out. And it has all these keys right on the Community Post and where to get them. I'm liking it. Let's get a close look. First of all, this is the information that comes with the keys.
Hey guys, these are more than just equipment keys. These are essential. If you have even a ditch witch or some kind of equipment that has to have a little key to turn it on, this is your key set. I don't know if you look closely at this key set, but it has everything. John Deere, Volvo, the big Hondas,
Keys.
Just everything.
Bluedogkeys.com. They were in this bag, and this was stuffed inside the bag. Set of 40 key set. Nice. Here's the keys. They are beautiful. They're all pre-cut. You won't have to do any work. Look at it, it says cat on it. That's good to know. You lose your key to your equipment, maybe you're a gold miner and you got all kinds of equipment. Well, this is the set for you. Look at that. Bluedogkeys.com. Yeah, liking it. This is what comes in the set. There's the number, BDEKS40. Here is the set. Isn't that nice? And I have a community post that has these keys and and there's some software that you need if you're going to cut a key blank. It's called Genericode. It's all from Freeman and bluedogkeys.com. Yep, I'm liking this. Great stuff. Here's all the goodies. This is what it will open. What a nice set. Yeah. Check out my post because it says everything you need to know where to get these bad boys. Look at that. Look at that. Please subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Don't leave just yet. There's still more to come. I want to show you how to navigate to my community post. You're going to go to my channel. You're going to see the word post. Now this might be hidden depending on the device you're using. So you're going to touch that post and you're going to see all my posts. I've spent hours putting together posts, guys. Now you're going to scroll down till you go past a wrench, basically, right there. That pliers. And the rest is all Blue Dog keys. Now you're going to scroll down till you get to the key we're talking about today, which is master keys for the equipment. All this heavy equipment. Look at this, heavy equipment. And then you have the keys. You have all this wealth of information just packed right in here. And then you have a hot link that takes you straight to Blue Dog Keys. Look at this. Oh, this is wonderful. So hopefully this has been helpful, guys. I know it's helped me to have a community post on YouTube to be able to put a hot link so you guys can find this stuff, because I can't really direct you to all my videos, but I surely can direct you to this community post. So there you have it, guys. This is again Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Thanks again. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. Well, there we have it. Blue Dog Keys. Go for your equipment, all your equipment. You could have 40 different keys for equipment, but really some of these keys cover several pieces of equipment. Thanks again, guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. This is Mike again with Door and Lock Tips. Yeah.